this is where everything comes together. We have the different dashboard views that are effectively what is pulling all the content that's related and contextually relevant into line of sight. So we have a daily view, a focus view, and a mini focus view. The three of them have different attributes, but they're effectively all doing a very similar thing. The daily view is all around your daily workflow, and what will happen there is it has certain superpowers to pull in relevant content. It can do it through the related content panels, but it can also pull your tasks and execution line into the daily focus. The focus view is your complete command center. It's a full project dashboard. It auto populates with all your materials that you are collecting throughout the time, and your mini focus view effectively is a smaller version of that without certain features, but it's perfect for things like hobbies or lower level projects and things like that. It has the same smart features, but you can customize these accordingly to your personal preferences and workflow.